Gonna do a beekeeping on the cheap video. I'm gonna look at that brood though right quick while he's got it out. These are homemade frames, homemade boxes.
Homemade these.
As you can see, they're pallet wood boxes. Keith is the beekeeping on the cheap master. But here's the problem. I tell people, use glue. Use glue. If you don't use glue, that happens. You've got a good 1/2 inch gap here, 1/4 inch gap there, and the frames fall down.
Yeah.
But it also doesn't help that another video where we were out here, he was sling cycling the weeds down. We hadn't been out here in a month and a half, 2 months. We just dropped these swarms off, boxed them, and rode away. That one needs to actually slide back because it's about to come off the back of the dang box. Oh, get it?
Damn.
Oh, we got it.
Ah.
Don't cuss too much. Slide your box. Yeah, there we go. But anyway, the beekeeping on the cheap part. Boxes are great.
This ain't working out.
I've been telling people, nobody wants to listen to me.
Oh,
Got stung again?
yeah.
Good. Make up for the last yard we were in, because I'm the one that got stung. Anyway, that's going to be it. Quick tip, beekeeping on the cheap. Don't go too cheap.
Ow.
Yeah, they're getting a little angry, so I'm going to walk away before they decide to start stinging me. Oh, yeah. You're bringing them with you. Dadgum, son, don't bring them to me. They're mad at you. That's it, woolly bees, before I get stung.